very quiet on low. This is my Vornado box fan that's used here at work for the dogs, when my sister brings them. But this is my fan indeed here at work. I also have another one like this, 9-inch model, that's in the front bathroom. And then in my room, you might have seen them quite a few times in the video. Those are the 12-inch ones. I will have a video of those soon. Back to high and then off. Spin down. Side. The other side. Back. Let's see. Information. Pause the video to read it. Hope you can see it well. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. This has been my video of my Vornado 9-inch box fan. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Gone.